After an extended enforced break, the 52 Super Series is back. We return to the Balearic Islands to Mallorca's chic Puerto Portals. And as we celebrate 20 years of the TP52, Portals will muster the biggest fleet of TP52s for many, many years. In fact, 16 crews, 7 invited. From Italy, from France, from Hong Kong, from Spain, from Thailand and Finland. And returning to the 52 Super Series circuit again after a 3-year break are the American crew of Interlodge. This is the first of 3 regattas in 2021. They're events that everyone wants to win, and we're going to see some fantastic action.